Good morning, Mr. Guyton's class. Good morning, fourth grade. Good morning, College Park. This is for everybody. Welcome to our YouTube channel. You notice the last few days have been a little strange, a little bizarre. That's why we're having school at the beach. Kind of cool. From here on out, we're going to do things a little bit differently. Check back here, make sure that you're liking, subscribing, make sure you're reading our description, make sure that you're interacting with one another here on this platform. If we can't be together in person, we can be together in spirit, and we can be together online. It's going to be great. To get started, you're going to need a couple of things, a couple of supplies. First things first, you want 2 sharp pencils. I know how difficult this was for our class to hang on to those sharp pencils, but make sure you have 2 sharp pencils. Keeping them sharp, use your pencil sharpener. This is my favorite, I also like to have an eraser. It's very important to have an eraser. I use this almost as much as I use the pencil lead. If you're not making mistakes, remember, you're probably not pushing yourself hard enough. Eraser, good eraser, always great. Of course, we need something to write on. I'm feeling red these days. Nice little notebook here. And then lastly, you're going to want some Post-it notes. Now, I really like the Post-it notes that have the lines on them. It helps me keep my writing straight. It's up to you, though. You can also get creative with this. If you don't have Post-it notes, feel free to use an old grocery store receipt. Use the little cardboard insert thingy on some Reese's peanut butter cups. Whatever it is, all you need is something small that you can write on. We'll get back to that later. Today, I'd like to start out simple, just by reading you a little story. The story that we have today is called Just for Today by St. John the 23rd, illustrated by Bimba Landman. That's an interesting name. Now, the kids in my class, they know that it's important for us to set goals. You know, it's important for you to set goals in your academics, of course, work on your multiplication, practice your reading, those kinds of things. But it's also important to have goals that are far beyond that. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a moment. What I want you to do as I'm reading this is to think of one thing that you can work on, today. And just keep it in the back of your mind because we're going to use it a little bit later. Without further ado, let's get started. Just for Today by St. John the 23rd, illustrated by Bimba Landman. Morning. Just for today, I will try to live for this day alone, without wishing to solve my life's problems all at once. Just for today, I'll take great care in how I present myself. I'll dress simply, I'll not raise my voice, and I'll be polite in my manners. I will not criticize anyone. I'll not look to improve or discipline anyone other than myself. Just for today, I'll be happy in the certainty knowing that I was created to be happy, not just in the world to come, but in this one. And just for today, I will adapt to circumstances without expecting circumstances to adapt to my wishes. That's a big one. Just for today, I'll devote 10 minutes of my time to sitting in silence and listening to God, remembering that just as food is necessary for the life of the body, so silence and listening are necessary for the life of the soul. Just for today, I'll do a good deed, and I'll tell no one about it. Just for today, I'll do at least one thing I do not enjoy, and if my feelings are hurt, I'll make sure no one notices. Just for today, I'll make a plan. Perhaps I won't follow it perfectly, but I'll still make it, and I'll guard against 2 evils, haste and indecision. Haste means you're going too quickly with things, and indecision means, well, you're just not making a decision. You're just kind of floating along, not really making up your mind. Just for today, I'll know from the bottom of my heart that no matter how it may seem, that God cares for me like no one else in this world. Just for today, I'll have no fears. In particular, I'll not be afraid to enjoy what is beautiful, to believe in love. I can easily do for 12 hours what I would find discouraging if I thought I had to do it for a lifetime. The end. I like the little bird. Just for today. So what I want you to do next, hopefully you thought of something that you can work on today for yourself. I want you to take your Post-it note and I want you to simply write, just for today. Just for today. And then I want you to write that one thing that you're going to work on today. It could be anything. It could be, I'm going to tell my sister I love her. Or it could be, I'm going to practice my ×5 multiplication facts. Or it could be, I'm going to set up a cozy spot in the corner and I'm going to read for 15 minutes. Whatever it is, great or small, something that you can achieve though. Then I want you to take your Post-it note and I want you to put it somewhere in your home where you're going to see it. So that you can look back on it and be reminded, oh yeah, that's right, I was going to work on that today. And then work on it. I'd also like you to leave a little comment below and tell us what it is that you're going to work on just for today. Pass this on to your friends. We're going to be linking all types of cool stuff. It's going to be school related, don't you worry. I realize that was a little spirit heavy book there. But we're going to have lots of cool stuff linked right here on this YouTube channel and in the Google Classroom. Lots of cool stuff to come. So please stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. This is Mr. Guyton for Miss Felice, Miss Walker, and Miss Sheeran. So long.